lights, camera, transaction. Hey everyone, Blaze plays guitar lessons. I want to teach you how to play this song that was requested. This is an Incubus song, and I have not done an Incubus song yet, so I was grateful for the request. This is a great song, and it's called Talk Shows on Mute. I actually didn't know it. I hadn't heard it before, but I'm really grateful I do now. So real quick, if you haven't subscribed already, please hit like and subscribe so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials. Also, just please hit like. I really like it. I really appreciate it when I get a bunch of likes and comments and stuff. So let me know. Let me know if you guys have any questions or other requests you'd like to learn, and also just please hit like and subscribe. All right, so let's get into it. It's gonna be standard tuning, and there's no capo. All right, so there's a couple ways you can play this, but I'm gonna show you the strumming pattern is super easy for the verses. Okay, so you're gonna use a handful of chords here. You're gonna use C and A minor. Those are the two chords you're gonna use for the verse, for the intro and verses. Okay, so you're gonna do C, A minor, C, A minor. Okay, so you're doing. So I'm just doing down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. So you're just gonna want to do down, down, down. You don't have to do the down, up, down when you're switching chords. I just think it sounds a lot better. So it's down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 down. Okay, see that? That's super easy. You could play that as the chord, not as a chord progression because the chords are different for the chorus, but you could play that as the strumming pattern for the entire song, and then the chords are different in the chorus, and I'll show you that in a second. But you could do that. Now I think it sounds better if you don't. I'll show you a way that makes it sound better. Plus, you don't want to have songs be super like modular and just like monotone. You want them to like build and go up and down and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you what you'll do for the chorus then. So sorry, for real quick, for the verses, you're just going to do C. Take a bow, gunpowder. Okay, so like on the dur part of gunpowder, you're going to go to A minor. Okay, so it's C. Take a bow, gunpowder. Okay, so powder is where you're doing A minor. Powder, wash them out with buzzing lights. Okay, lights, you go back to C. Lights, pay an audience to care. Okay, care is A minor. Care, impress me personality. Okay, so on T, on personality, is where you're gonna go to C. C. Still, so you're gonna do still, a transfixed, the electric. Electric is A minor. Electric sheep are dreaming of your face. Okay, so after face, you're gonna go to C again. Face. Enjoy you from the chemical. Okay, chemical, like halfway through, you're gonna do A minor. Chemical, comfort all America. Okay, so here is where you switch. Like halfway through America, you're gonna switch to F. All right, so you're gonna play it like that. All right, so you're gonna go to F, and then for the chorus, instead of doing C, A minor, you're gonna do F. Come one, come all, and then G. Okay, on all. All into 1984. Okay, then like as you're saying 4, you're gonna do F. 4. Yeah, 3, 2, 1. Okay, then 1 is G. 1. Lights, camera, transaction. Okay, so then you're gonna go to C on transaction. Transaction. Okay, so then you're gonna do the C, A minor, C, A minor. Just do it a couple times, and then go back right into the second verse. Okay, so then you're gonna do. Quick, your time is almost up. Okay, so that's what you're gonna do. Now, I'm not gonna walk you through that whole verse because you don't need to know it. You already know how to do it with the first one. Okay, so the other strumming pattern that works really well, and I think will make it sound better for you, is if you do so down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So it's down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, you're gonna do that, but you're gonna do it faster than that. You're gonna go. Come on, come on. to 1984. Okay, so you're doing that down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, doing that down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so that's the chord progression or the strumming pattern for that part. Okay, you go on to the next chorus. Now, the part that you're gonna do after the second chorus, all right, you're going to do C, C, A minor, C, A minor. Okay, so you're gonna do C, A minor, C, A minor. All right, and then you're gonna do F. Okay, G. All right, and then F, G. Now, if you're not playing this like with a lead guitar or anything, if you're just playing it by yourself, I think it's more fun to just do C, A minor, F, G, and then go back into the chorus. So you just do C, you just do both of the chord progressions twice. So you just do C, A minor twice, F, G twice. That's it. Okay. That's the whole song. So it's super easy. Now you know how to play it. So let me know if you guys have any questions or anything, or if there's any other songs you'd like to learn. Let me know in the comments. And it's been a lot of fun. I'll see you next time.